DGPS surveyors play a crucial role in gathering accurate and precise geographic data for various projects, including those in Noida Extension. Noida Extension is a rapidly growing region near Delhi, India, known for its real estate development and infrastructure projects. To ensure that these projects are executed efficiently, DGPS surveyors in Noida Extension use advanced technology and techniques to collect data. One of the key aspects of DGPS surveying is the use of Scon design. Scon design refers to the process of designing and implementing a systematic approach to collecting data using DGPS technology. This involves setting up a network of base stations equipped with DGPS receivers and collecting data from multiple reference points. The collected data is then processed and analyzed to generate accurate measurements and maps. The use of DGPS technology in Noida Extension has several advantages. First and foremost, it provides highly accurate positioning information, which is essential for infrastructure projects such as road construction and urban planning. DGPS surveyors can obtain centimeter-level accuracy, ensuring that the final design and layout of projects are precise and reliable. Moreover, DGPS surveying is also efficient and time-saving. With the help of Scon design, surveyors can collect data from multiple points simultaneously, reducing the overall time required for data collection. In conclusion, DGPS surveyors in Noida Extension play a vital role in gathering accurate geographic data for various projects. The use of Scon design and advanced DGPS technology allows them to collect precise measurements efficiently. This not only ensures the accuracy of project designs, but also saves time and reduces costs. With the continuous development of Noida Extension, the demand for skilled DGPS surveyors is expected to increase, making their role even more crucial in future projects. For numerous projects, including those in Noida Extension, DGPS surveyors are essential in acquiring exact and accurate geographic data. A fast-expanding area near Delhi, India, Noida Extension is well known for its infrastructure and real estate development initiatives. The collection of data is done by DGPS surveyors in Noida Extension using cutting-edge technology and methods to guarantee that these projects are carried out effectively. The application of Scon design is one of the major components of DGPS surveying. Scon design is the process of planning and putting into practice a systematic strategy for data collection utilizing DGPS technology. In order to do this, a network of base stations outfitted with DGPS receivers must be established, and data must be gathered from numerous reference sites. To create precise measurements and maps, the obtained data is next processed and examined. There are many benefits to using DGPS technology in Noida Extension. First and foremost, it offers extremely precise positioning.